Josie Addington is an American curvy, plus-size model, digital creator, and social media influencer widely admired for her elegance, confidence, and uplifting personality. Loved for her stunning curves and bright smile, Josie represents a new wave of models who are redefining traditional beauty standards. Her commitment to body positivity and self-love has turned her into a source of inspiration for women learning to embrace their natural shapes. As her online presence grows, she continues to shine as a beloved figure in the world of curvy fashion and digital modeling. Born and raised in the United States, Josie developed a passion for fashion and photography early in life. She looked up to models who used their platforms to promote inclusivity and hoped to follow in their footsteps. Her career began when she started sharing her photos and fashion content on social media. Her confident poses, graceful presence, and relatable personality quickly caught the attention of viewers, eventually turning her hobby into a full-time profession. Today, she works with fashion and lifestyle brands that highlight body diversity and empowerment. Josie stands about 58, 173 cm tall, and weighs around 80 kg, 176 pounds. Her beautiful hourglass figure is estimated at 33, 34, 47 inches, showcasing her natural charm and strong sense of self-confidence. Her ability to pose with emotion and poise makes her a favorite among photographers and fans. Whether she's modeling dresses, lingerie, or swimwear, Josie's radiance and confidence always take center stage. Throughout her career, Josie Addington has collaborated with numerous fashion and beauty brands across the United States. She frequently represents plus-size clothing lines and boutiques that celebrate inclusivity. Each partnership supports her mission to inspire women to feel beautiful in their skin. Her work highlights the growing acceptance of diversity within the fashion industry and the increasing demand for authentic representation. Josie's social media presence plays a major role in her success. On Instagram, she shares professional shoots, lifestyle moments, beauty advice, and motivational messages that deeply resonate with her audience. Her followers appreciate her honesty, positivity, and down-to-earth nature. She continues to encourage women to reject unrealistic standards and embrace their true selves, making her one of the most relatable plus-size influencers today. As of 2025, Josie Addington's estimated net worth is around $350,000, earned through modeling contracts, brand promotions, and digital collaborations. With her influence steadily rising, her career shows no signs of slowing down. Josie's journey reflects self-confidence, determination, and authenticity, proving that beauty exists in every size. She remains a strong voice for body positivity and an inspiration for women worldwide who are learning to love themselves without apology.